Well, if Sonic thinks that he is going to do, and I need to find out. I need to get a little my own little bad guy or whatever. Power. Oh, dang. I'm getting so fat that I can't even stand up. Ridiculous. Oh, power is on. Machine I stole from them. The second one that barely works. It got all dark. What? No. Ooh. Huh? Open. My name is Dark Sonic. I'm from another dimension. I'm from another dimension. Oh my god. Wait, is that a gadget on you? Let me fix that up. Now it shoots fireballs. But where? But how? That machine is a dimension machine, not a time machine. Wow, I was gonna get like Shadow or something or somebody. Yeah, well, it's not. And I came here for you to work for me. What are you What are you laying on the ground for? It's because I can't stand up. Just talk to me. I came here for you to obey me, worship me as a king. I think that's gonna happen. What are you talking about? If you don't, I will murder you. I guess it can be arranged then. Sorry. Sonic, you have no idea what is coming for you. I will get my revenge.